Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best TIG welding machines for precision welding, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Zojan 4-in-1 TIG AC DC Welder. Zojan offers a versatile 4-in-1 welding machine capable of TIG AC DC and MMA arc welding. With precise digital pulse control and 2T/4T modes, it's suitable for aluminum and stainless steel welding applications. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. ANDELI ACDC TIG Welding Machine. ANDELI presents an ACDC TIG welding machine featuring HF ignition and pulse function. Its multifunctionality and smart argon welding capability make it ideal for various aluminum alloy welding tasks. At number 3. HVT250P Tig AC DC Welder. The HVT250P Tig AC DC Welder is a versatile tool equipped for aluminum welding, featuring arc stick welding capabilities. Its IGBT inverter technology ensures efficient performance, suitable for professional and DIY welding projects. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. TIG Welder TIG MMA220V. This TIG welder operates at 220V and is designed for both TIG and MMA welding processes. With IGBT technology, it offers precise control and efficiency for welding stainless steel and iron materials. At number 1. Plasmar Gan TIG Welder WSE Digital Control. The Plasmar Gan TIG Welder features digital control and dual voltage capabilities, making it efficient for gas TIG welding of stainless steel and iron materials. Its WSE technology ensures reliable performance in welding applications.